Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2003 Yamaha Virago 250. This bike is in fantastic condition, 2 brand new tires, only 14,900 miles. This bike runs beautifully, satin black finish. This is like a miniature Harley Davidson look-alike. Come by, get your motorcycle dreams started with this awesome Virago 250 for only $19.99. This bike is not gonna last. Don't sleep. Come on by. Don't miss out. That's all I can say. It's probably not gonna be here a week. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.